right for vacation, because we cannot look like this for the people them vacation and the people them resort, for the people them beach. Hello? Help! Help! Somebody help! Yeah, we're gonna do the nails, we're gonna do the wax. Oh, the bird. Wax stuck on my cooter. Commercial break.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Pretty for real, I'm pretty for my cellular. No. Don't say you hot. No.
What's up, guys? It's Kalicia here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kalicia. I do lifestyle, fashion, travel, and you should subscribe to my channel. Be a part of the fam. Hit the subscribe button. Like, please subscribe for true, because why would you want to subscribe? Yeah, watch the maintenance vlog. Just subscribe, girl or boy. I don't judge. Today we are doing a vacation maintenance vlog. Wanna know someone similar like this? Like, I don't even look like I have hair on my head right now, but I promise you, I do. See? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna be doing maintenance prep. We're gonna do the pack. We're gonna do the ear. We're gonna do the nails. We're gonna do the wax. We're gonna do the that's the packing, the ear, the nails, the wax. We gotta get this right for vacation, because we cannot look like this for the people them vacation and the people them resort, for the people them beach. Hello? So we're gonna fix up ourselves, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. The first portion of the video I'm gonna be doing is hair. We're gonna be doing our own hair. If you're new here and you don't know, now you know. I'm a DIY. I specialize in DIY. So I want to do boho knotless bob, like a bob. I want to reach like right there, so because when you see my ear long.
Get right here, man.
Listen, my ear long for two people. See? So it can't be one sharp bob. It have to be one long bob. Now, is this a tutorial? Not really. It's not really a tutorial video. I'm just showing y'all the process of me looking like from this to this. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment something, anything. If you can message me nail tech right now and just find out if she can accommodate me tomorrow. So we just have to make sure that the ear done by tomorrow. Did I mention that I only have 48 hours to get this done? Not even 48 hours for real. I have like, wait there, 2 hour 48. Yeah, I have like 36 hours to do all of this. So we're gonna say, and I'm so delusional for always thinking that I can, but I feel like I can. I feel like I can done my ear by like right now at 12 o'clock. I feel like I can done wash my ear by like wash and blow dry my hair by like 2 o'clock, and I feel like I can done my hair by like 7 o'clock tonight. What do you think? I feel like I can, man. I feel like I can. And then what else left? For pack, nails. My nails can do tomorrow. I can't leave so much things for tomorrow. Alright, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wax tonight. And then tomorrow is just nails and packing. We feel like we can do that though. That's one reasonable, right?
A few moments later.
It's 6 o'clock.
My dear.
I feel like I can do me here by like 7 o'clock tonight. It's 6 o'clock. Well, after 6 actually. I wash my ear, blow dry my hair, and child, I just wanted to chill a little bit. I'm about to be up all night. I'm about to be up all night tonight to do this hair, because I want to do it small, like very small. So the hair is blow dried, it's moisturized. Get into it. Yeah. And I wanted to clip my ends, because you can see like the ends need to be clipped, but I can't clip my end when I go braid my ear. So here is section 1. Now let's begin. I don't really want to put wax on my scalp, just because if I don't need to, I don't want to. So section it off into 3 parts, and then part 2 down, add the hair. Honestly, I don't want to add too much hair to this, because I don't need it thick, so I'll probably just add this one And then add more when I go down.
If I had a body tattoos, I would think that it is your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my reflection. Things close, she's close enough. You could say every time we touch, every time we love.
It's 7 a.m.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
Because last night I partied out the rows, did 3 rows, and then I hold up the mirror, I look on the back of my head and realize say the last row I do, the part them big and the plait them small. Oh! So I have to pull out all of that. And I'm saying, you know what? I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. So I wake up and I do back the 3rd row. So this is how it's looking so far. If you're not part good, that have nothing to do with me now because I don't pull it out already and do it over. So yeah. But I'm contemplating between wanting a lot of boho and not wanting a lot of boho. I'm going to the map. So the back have 4 no boho pieces, and then the 2nd row has I believe 6 plaits and it has 1 boho piece, and then the 3rd row has I would say about 8 plaits and it has 3 boho pieces to each braid. So I really did the 3rd row. I start add some curly hair from 1 week, but I have because I don't wear the wig. I'm using the wig, the curly pieces from the wig in the back, and then the organic water curl at the top. So we're gonna get closer to the top. We'll reach above the ears, thank God. So we're gonna see what time we can do this. Guys, it's raining and I'm not done my hair, and I have 1 hour left until I have to go to the nail tech. So I've just accepted my fate that the ear not go done in time. I've been taking so many breaks. Like I took a nap after I came off camera again. Right now I'm just taking off the gel polish off my toes. I had it soaking while I was doing my hair, so I just take it off 1 hour before the nail appointment. But I'm gonna say how far we can reach with this hair. I feel like I can finish this row and then adjust the top portion left, which is, it don't look like much but it's gonna be a lot. Cause just while ago I'm looking at this row and I'm like, oh yeah, this row should be less. No babes, it's the same amount. It's gonna take the same amount of time it's been taking. Tell me why I decide for what come at the nail tech. And now I'm late. I just 5 minutes, but I'm out of breath, I'm tired. What time is for work? Oh, by the way, the ear not done. Yeah, you're not done. My text and updates her, do I'm not soon come. Make what? Jesus, is tired. I'm out of breath. Tell me why my son dog boom the gate, jump over the gate, hello? And my boy for take off, you know. But I say, no, Kelly, walk right now, man. And the dog just walk away right now, man. Jesus, is me not reach now? Oh, sit there. Oh, God. No, sir. With every breath I'm sinking, and no way to describe it. I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm still not beside you, instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could build me a cute apartment, one bedroom. Okay, I back home. I'm gonna pull out the little bun The toes are done and the toes are tea. Clock it. The toes are tea. I just did my nails because child acrylic has been doing me dirty. I have to be growing out my toenails for months on end after I do an acrylic set. Even my nail taker asked like, girl, it takes so long for come do your toes. Girl, my toenails were not okay. They were not healthy. Just start doing gel on my toes. No tips, no nothing. And they look really good. Like, I'm actually impressed. I didn't think they would look this good. Let's continue. I have like probably 2 hours. This little bit alone, I feel like a 2 hours. At 2 hours may I get. So I'm gonna watch my show and continue on with my hair.
I'm a rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Give what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it. Boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Would you believe me? That I'm in love, baby, once.
Final one. Oh my god, I'm so relieved.
Would you believe me? There. I like the way you pull my hair. Baby, if I don't feel it, I ain't faking, no. I like when you tell me kiss your hair. I like when you tell me move it there. So get it up, time to get it up. You say you want more, boy, show me what you got now. Coming right now.
And we're done. I look like somebody's child again. Okay, so the hair is almost done. It's not fully done. I'm going to oil my scalp and I'm gonna plait this hair up for tonight. I'm gonna go hot water the ends because the ends are straight, so I'm gonna rod it up and hot water it in the morning because I'm been me I don't want my hair wet right now. Before we go back chat, and I'm not feel for doing now. I'm not feeling it right now. I'm tired. I'm asleep. So I look up. Powder. I have my heated wax. I'm gonna go wax my belly first. So I feel like I'm kind of nervous. I haven't waxed in so long, guys. If I apply up, my pull down. Oh shit, it a drip. Oopsie, I got it on my cooler kit. Ooh. Okay. I don't know where I just applied. So maybe I'll just go down. This is not going good. It's not feeling good. Hi dear. Alright, ready? I want me to just go up so I can pull down. Alright. Wait, I feel like I want to stand up. I'm nervous. I never asked my mother to drag it off of me. I'm nervous, man. Wait, then I apply like so something. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ready? No. Alright. Ready? 3. I feel like we need to stand up. 3, 2. Girl. Sure. 9. Oh God. Ooh, that kind of stings a little bit. Oh. That was good though. It was a lot. And it's not done yet. It's not bad. Because I pluck my hairs, so I'm used to this. I do it individually. Like, this is light work. Guys, may I get wax everywhere. My God. Taking one of the strips again. Hey, you know what? Hear a story time? One time when I was younger, when I was a baby, I knew I wanted to be that girl from I was younger. Like, hello? I was like probably 7, and I saw my mom waxing, and the pot is still hot. So I was like, I want to try that. So I did. Some wax stuck on my cooter cap. I need to go steal because what? Go to the arms and then wrap it up. Wrap it up.
And I've been with trips, I've been with nights, I've been so long, we doing it here. Never try to waste your time, ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times wrong, you know I found your pretty ass out of mobile. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chance to get no more. I always keep you close. Ain't never try to waste your time, ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times wrong. You don't know anybody. Thinking up, we went times together. I always keep you close. And you best I seen everything. You don't want to show anybody. Super low, but you don't know anybody. I've been with friends.
Right, stuck. Now come on. Oh. Ah. Help. Help. Somebody help. Why is it doing this? You're not even coming off, bro. No. No. It's stuck under there, bro. What the hell? And the same thing just happened down there. Oh my God. Commercial break.
Kelicia was too traumatized to come back on camera, but here are the finished results. So cute.
No matter what you do to switch the story up, I know I made my mind.
Even with the rods in. Anyways, like, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye now.